Hello, we're back with another unboxing.
This time it's B.
Congratulations, B comes after A.
Yeah, I know, but you didn't notice we opened 29 first.
No. You took the boxes. I just hold the camera.
No, I did that on purpose.
Of course you did. That's right, sometimes you gotta count down, right?
Sure, we'll go with that.
Yeah.
There. 1.
The 73 Pontiac Grand Am. This time it's in Massatan. And we've got the 63 Ford Galaxy 500. This time it's in Champagne Poly. And we've got the 97 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am WS6. This time in black. Here we've got the 91 Chevy Camaro Z28 1LE. This time in bright red. Then we've got the 78 Chevy Monte Carlo. This time in light blue poly. Then we've got the 76 Plymouth Valere Roadrunner. This time it's in silver cloud poly. And there's that set, or that version. Thanks for watching.